Hey guys, today is Saturday and I have a lot of things to do. I'm supposed to have my 22nd birthday party today. And unfortunately I had to move it up because I have a lot of work today. So I'm heading to 288 to place a 20,000 square foot lot for sale. It's gonna go up this week. I just need to go place my sign and identify exactly where it's located, because these lots can be very tricky due to like there being so many lots there. Sometimes you just want to make sure that you're placing the correct one for sale. So we will be doing that today, and right after I have to show 11 houses. I have a client coming in out of state and they have 1 day to find a house. So we're gonna try to knock out 11 houses before 5 because my party starts at 5. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna try to show you guys some of the houses that we're gonna go see, as well as a lot that I'm gonna place for sale. These distances are gonna be pretty far. The lot's on 288 and the homes that we're gonna place for sale are in Katy. So just stay tuned and let's go. Guys, tell me why I'm sweating my butt off right now. It's like 100 and something degrees and I've been out here laughing, talking to my clients. So this is actually the lot that I'm selling. This is called Allison Street. So this is the lot. The lot is about 20,000 square feet. And then look at there, guys. Look at there. So yeah, it's gonna go live this Monday. You'll see it on my IG. So I gotta take some pics real quick, so I'll let you guys go. Make a pit stop at my house, make sure that my party is being coordinated as planned, but obviously no one is up yet. But this will be the scenery for my 22nd, which is my backyard. I already want to get in the pool. The patio's not fixed right now, but now I have to head back to work. My clients were just running behind, so I'm off again. Arrived to the first house here in Katy. This is house numero uno. It's really cute. I'm really into it. Let's go see the inside. Okay. These schools over here are really good too. It's really nice. I feel like they're gonna... I like it myself, so I feel like they would really like it too. And I just gotta see the inside so we can confirm. This is probably the hardest part of my job, is like getting the doors unlocked. Oh, it's really cute. It's so cozy. And they have a big family too, so. Okay. I'm gonna turn on all. Okay. It's a little outdated, but it's cute. I'm into it. Alright guys, let's start. Let me start turning on all the lights. Alright, so we're gonna walk in, and this is the entry. This is the living room right here. And then we move forward and we're going to what could be the breakfast room. where you put your breakfast table. We have a little nook here. This would be the laundry room, so you guys can see. And then this would be the kitchen. So the kitchen's a little outdated, but you know, eventually you could do some really nice work in here like this. I would want to just remodel this house, like starting with the kitchen. This is the formal dining. Where are the lights here? This is definitely the formal dining area, as we can see. And now we're gonna move forward and go to some bedrooms down here. This could be in an office or the nursery, just depending. And then we'll come back here. This is a master bedroom. These homes are older, as you can see. Look at that, guys. Like, that's so older. And then this is the master restroom. So, hey guys, this is my outfit of the day. We're looking really casual today. We pulled out little Tory Burch shoes since we are gonna show a lot of properties. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. The closet, I'm not a big fan because it's too small for me. That's what my closet today looks like. And this is like the gentleman closet. The shower. So if we keep going, I'll go upstairs real quick. Those lights don't turn on. Where are these lights turning on? Oh, this is so cute. This is the restroom upstairs. And look, it has a balcony. How cute. Now I want somebody to take a picture of me downstairs. I'm gonna have to put my camera up in my car and do it. But how cute is that, guys? I mean, my clients know I'm a millennial. They understand all my pics that I take. This would be a, okay, so this is another bedroom, and this is a closet, which I really enjoy this closet because of the light. Isn't that cute? Like, I'm a big fan of windows and like brightness and everything that comes with it. Like, I'm all about it. Okay, this is another bedroom. So this would be bedroom number 4. Because if we count the other room as a bedroom, it would be number 4. And this one would be number 5. The door has been broken there. And then this is the backyard. Cute. So let me head downstairs, but I really, like, this house is so cute. I feel like they're gonna want this one. It seems so homey, so like, oh, I love it. Like, I would redo this whole thing. Like, it has so much potential. If I could, I would knock down all these walls. This was my house. Knock it down. Then I would head over here. Knock the whole kitchen out. Just get rid of it. I wonder how this works. So for sure I would knock this out. I would make this an open concept, so I would put an island in the middle and then my kitchen towards the back. Even center it. The color, I like the color. Color's nice, it's bright, I'm into it. So I wouldn't change that. And I would definitely add a pool in the backyard. Here, this is really cute, but I would definitely make a little pool here. And then we still have our room for our patio, so I would definitely expand from there to there and make a patio. I'm really into the balcony. Kind of want it. But I feel like they're gonna love this house. but we're just gonna have to see. Because this is not your typical brand new house. Like, we're gonna go see new houses in Firethorn and here in Katy. Well, Firethorn is part of Katy. So we're just gonna have to wait, guys. All right, guys, now we're here at the newest master plan subdivision in Fulshire. So it's like new. I think it was built last year.